On May 25, 2024 in Virginia Beach, an 18-year-old man on a high-speed motorcycle led Virginia state troopers on a dangerous pursuit covering several miles.
Pull over. Pull over.
Right there, speed 65.
You know, right onto Bonnie.
Right on Bonnie.
I still got eyes pulling away from the traffic a little bit. We are heading northbound on Wichita, coming up to Virginia Beach Boulevard.
Northbound on Virginia Beach.
1826 Chesapeake, mark me on duty, and I am in the lead on this pursuit. It's going to be a white male rider, black helmet, white shirt.
10-4.
To Southern Boulevard. Hey, this is a dead-end street, dead-end street.
Dead-end street on Southern.
Don't stop, gonna stop. Get off the bike! Get off the bike! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Straight out! Straight out, arms by your side!
Guys, please go home. He had nothing to do with that. Promise. Please, I'm begging you. Please. Please, I'm begging you.
1668, 2 detained. Roll over. I'm gonna sit you up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, ready? Stand up. 1, 2, 3.
We have
Sit on the hood of my car.
white males in custody, no damage to state property.
How does this come off? Is it a hook? An old one? Alright. Ooh, that's my car. How old are you, man? 18? What's your relation?
The chase ended at the dead end of Southern Boulevard near North Gum Avenue, where troopers conducted a felony takedown and arrested Richard Silva, who was charged with fleeing police and multiple traffic offenses.
Three to our location.
10-4.
Both subjects are saying that they're not hurt. There's no state damage.
Person clear.
Notify supervisor.
Person not found.
10-4, they've been notified.
Trooper Cody Martin engaged in a high-speed pursuit after observing a motorcycle traveling with reckless disregard for traffic laws.
6 miles per hour. You'll be coming up under the curve line if you keep straight. Turn around and hold on. Drop a bit around Colorado Street. Copy, I'm back to America for Bethlehem and
I'm gonna let my dog loose!
33 on 96. Caffeine.
Huh?
Item 57, he's on north right now. It looks like right there on the map, he is directly due south of you.
The sheriff's office to get the record started. Since they're from where you were at, and can explain to them directions.
700.
So I'll get back.
Just a good being in that tag too, that paper tag too, Sheriff, please.
Look like Item 5.
Rip it off, it's expired.
This information was out at 1065 holding at the yellow truck stop down in Flint County for 106.
Really honestly, I knew this was terrible and I thought it was anybody anyway. This is my
So is your traffic? I'm going to be 97 with the trooper's vehicle.
I didn't even tell them off before I left the house. I can't believe I did that.
I can't either. You know, it cost me some paperwork.
I graduated high school. Yeah. Cabot, 1991.
Get my ass out of here.
The chase concluded successfully when the troopers' execution of a pursuit tactic forced the motorcycle to stop, allowing the suspect to be taken into custody without further incident. On July 14, 2025, a Florida Highway Patrol trooper in the Tampa area attempted to stop a sport bike traveling without a registration plate. The rider fled at high speed, leading to a multi-agency pursuit assisted by Tampa PD Aviation. The chase ended after another trooper successfully disabled the motorcycle, and the rider, a convicted felon in possession of a firearm with no motorcycle endorsement, was taken into custody. During a high-speed chase exceeding 130 miles per hour, Arkansas State Police engaged a motorcycle that was weaving through traffic before executing a bump and pin maneuver to bring the pursuit to an end.
Correction, straight on Midland. I bumped him and slowing down. Crossing North 6, or North End North.
Back on this.
Are behind the jail. Awkward out.
We're behind the jail.
Headed back to Wheeler. We're in a parking lot here. Still behind the jail. Going in circles in a parking lot. Headed back towards Wheeler. Alright, we're on Wheeler.
I'll take it back up. They're walking in. I'll come behind you.
Get down! Hey, get down! Oh, because of that? Because of that? You're so misdemeanor. That's it. Misdemeanor at the most. I did not do that. I throw that on the ground and stomp on it. When I got it, I think it's on my hand. Yeah, I'm good. You got it.
It's all over your shirt.
It's.
On a 1016, he's bleeding pretty good.
I got something. I'm a second stop bleeding.
I got some stuff.
The suspect was successfully stopped and taken into custody after being pinned between vehicles, ending the dangerous flight without further injury to officers or bystanders.
Passing on the wrong side of the roadway, Bill Rick. Bill Rick, I hadn't caught it just yet. I'm trying to get up on it. We're coming up on South Hickory level. Heading on northbound, we're north.
On March 13th, 2021, around 5:20 p.m., a Georgia State Patrol trooper attempted to stop a black motorcycle on GA 61 near Ithaca Gin Road after observing multiple lane violations, but the rider fled at high speed, leading to a pursuit through Carroll County roads.
Still on Query View. Dead end, dead end to dirt behind the high school, behind the high school. Going through the dirt parking lot. Trying to get back around, get to the high school, 848. 1050, 1050. Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! I'll hit your ass again! Roll up on your... You good? Just press my headset off. I can't hear you. Just turn it off. Just press the... All I can do is... we go. Don't rip the wires, please. Sir. Sir, all you do is press the back button. Taking the helmet off. Sir. Pick the wrong one. This is my game right here. This is my game. You can argue that all day. You looked at me 5 times. Looked at me and stood it up. Okay. We'll argue that.
Hey, you there? Hey, it's 848.
The chase ended behind Villa Rica High School when the rider lost control and crashed, after which he was tased, arrested, and treated for minor injuries before being transported to Carroll County Jail. On August 28, 2022, around 11:20 a.m., a Georgia State Patrol trooper attempted to stop a black motorcycle speeding and making unsafe lane changes on GA 61 near Villa Forest Drive, but the rider refused to stop and fled northbound, leading to a pursuit toward the 20 East.
It's gonna be a white male, also blue jeans on with black shoes.
I'm clear, getting on the interstate.
Get right, get right. 1050, just about. 1050, 1050, 1050. Hands! Get on your face! Get on your face! Get on your... You like... Yeah. You ain't listening to me and got a gun on you? That's a good way to die, brother.
I was listening, sir.
You sat there laying and me wouldn't get on your face when I told you to.
Yeah, 1039. Stand by 32.
See where they were. Hi, man. My name is Trooper Smith. Okay? I work for the State Patrol. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First reason for the stop.
Not speeding. I already know.
Hey, you're speeding. You was in and out of traffic. And I know you see me. You came up. When I came up behind you, you looked at my lights. And you just shook your head at me.
I mean, yeah.
Okay, cool.
I already knew.
Let me double up real quick.
Thank you for taking it easy on me.
Yeah, take a seat. Lay back.
The chase ended when the trooper performed a precision maneuver on the I-20 entrance ramp, causing the rider, 19-year-old Dominic V. Brown, to crash and be taken into custody. A stolen Glock 48 pistol was recovered, and Brown was charged with multiple offenses following medical clearance.
coming up behind me,
On November 6, 2021, around 3:39 p.m., a Lowndes County Sheriff's deputy attempted to stop Uriah Wade Hall on a silver Suzuki Hayabusa, speeding on Shiloh Road in Hahira, Georgia. But Hall refused to stop and fled onto I-75 South, reaching speeds up to 145 miles per hour over a 20-mile chase. The pursuit ended after a Georgia State Patrol roadblock caused Hall to crash, and he was found with a loaded gun, drugs, and cash, later charged as a felon in possession of a firearm and multiple narcotics offenses. On March 3, 2022, at approximately 3:46 a.m., Georgia State Patrol units joined a Bartow County Sheriff's Office, pursuit of a motorcycle fleeing northbound on Irish 75 near the Gordon County line, reaching dangerously high speeds while weaving through traffic.
They're really getting above 120, 130. Copy that, 120 to 130.
I believe he's pulling over. Going in.
Have unit stage now at 348. Ship 4153, can you advise which lane y'all are in?
He's all over.
One mile for the 348, 4 mile left lane. Copy, 4 mile left lane, 1 mile for 348.
After multiple attempts to block and channel the motorcycle failed, the driver lost control and crashed while exiting at the 348-mile marker in Catoosa County, where he was taken into custody without further incident and treated for minor injuries.
Copy, 1050.
On April 14th, 2023, a sport bike was pursued by troopers through town and onto the interstate after weaving through traffic at extremely high speeds. The chase featured several close calls before officers safely ended the pursuit and took the rider into custody. On February 6, 2024, at 11:34 a.m., Trooper Weatherly attempted to stop a green 2003 Suzuki GS for speeding 85 in a 55 zone on Highway 165 near Willow Beach Road.
Take the airport officer.
Airport, Calgary, take him airport. Thank you.
The rider, Jonathan Moore, fled at speeds over 140 miles per hour through multiple interstates before crashing on Jones Street. He was pulled from a briar patch with injuries and later transported to Baptist Health. Little Rock,